Maya's just being honest. You got a shift tonight. Yeah. You got a shift with my fucking ass. You fucking pig cunt. Get eating it. Yeah, I know you're being honest with shit all over your face. You got a fucking... What do you do? Everybody go look up Maya Batuk. Myahbatuk. Okay, there's some free advertisement. Take a look at that 10-foot tall alien. Oh, she's got a shift tonight with shit all over her face and crack fucking burns all over her hands. Give me $1. I'm Chewbacca. That's what they call her at the club. Her fucking boss calls me on the phone and says, please keep her off the poles. Please keep her off the poles. It's like, just being honest. No, you don't. I told you. There's a bomb threat tonight, you fucking ugly, tall fucking dyke. Yeah, let's all go down to the club and watch Maya dance at 3 a.m. while people laugh at her. We already seen you. Fucking 15-foot tall fucking retard Rocky Dennis looking bitch dancing around to Venus and shit. Yay. Yeah, Burnsy, that's fucking hot.